So we believe that customer success is critical to all companies, and we're seeing firsthand how customer success and services teams are learning from each other and working closer together. We recognize how our customers work, and to reflect this, we have defined 3 core products around these needs. So Precursive OBX is all about building repeatable onboarding and project playbooks, managing work for each customer and project, collaborating internally and with your customer. So OBX lets you plan, schedule, and deliver success for each of your customers. Precursive RCO helps you find the right people for projects, allocate work, and balance workloads for your team. Precursive PSX extends the capability of RCO, helping you to ensure that each project is successful and profitable. With PSX, you not only stay on top of your team's capacity and utilization, but also project budgets, cost, expenses. You can calculate margin for professional services projects. So for those who are TaskFeed customers, you might recognize that TaskFeed is now Precursive OBX. We feel that onboarding experience better describes how customers are using the product to drive value for their business, and we think that OBX sounds pretty cool. What was simply Precursive is now 2 products. So this recognizes the very different ways that customers work and are using Precursive. So Precursive RCO is focused around customers who are looking to plan and allocate their teams and forecast projects. Precursive PSX is for professional services teams and businesses who need to track project costs and margin, who are managing various project rate cards, for example, managing resource costs and tracking time and expenses. Our customers either use one or multiple products together, or they use our whole platform. Usage is typically influenced by the type of work that you're delivering, your team size, and how your business evolves over time. So OBX customers have started adopting resource management features from RCO as they've started charging for implementations. They've then started to adopt PSX to manage and measure profit and margin as these become key KPIs for your business. So while the names don't change anything by themselves, what this brings is a clear spread of capability for everyone here. So there are some core themes and principles that drive how we're designing new products. So the first is our platform experience. And we look at this in 2 ways. First, how we make our products work together. And the second is ensuring that we're fully leveraging all of the power of the Salesforce platform. So in doing so, we create better products for you, and we create products that are more expandable, configurable, and designed to work within the ecosystem of Salesforce and the App Exchange. So leading on from this, customers expect our products to be flexible, and they are, and this is what makes them really powerful. So while our products are flexible, they must still be easily installed, set up, upgraded, and managed. We're working in a number of ways to improve how Precursive products work out of the box, and the improvements each of you will see is an easier, more seamless upgrade, which ensures you can stay up to date with all of our innovations much easier. And finally, product insights is where we want to move beyond data and reporting to insights and recommendation. And this is something we're going to be working on more, and you'll see more throughout the rest of the year. So for Precursive OBX, we understand that project success is dependent upon engaging customers, and we want to bring the customer closer to that overall experience. So we're already doing this today with external sharing and communities that let you engage customers and share your onboarding and project plans with them. But we've got more ideas to improve how you work alongside your customers. As we bring the Precursive OBX experience closer to RCO and PSX, we want to provide you all with more power for managing larger, more complex projects. An example of this is board hierarchies, which we made available earlier this year. So board hierarchies allows massive projects to be broken into a project hierarchy, and we're continuing to innovate around this theme of powerful project management to ensure Precursive OBX scales from repeatable processes all the way through to transformational projects. And it's our belief that the power of Precursive is going to come from combining project execution with resource and capacity management. So we think about this as actionable capacity, and I'm going to have more to show on this later. For both Precursive RCO and PSX, we focus on project or resource managers and individual contributors. Now we're focusing on improving the experience for each of these groups. Resource managers are our power users, and we want to reduce the work required from resource managers and make assignments for them to their team much faster. We recognize that individual contributors experience Precursive as just a timesheet. We're working on continuing to explore how we can make their interaction with Precursive simple, easy, and fast. But more than this, we're challenging ourselves to create surprise and delight. Most of our customers are running client projects, and we recognize how we can help improve the experience you provide your clients, from status updates to billing and probably a lot more. And we're going to be focusing on how Precursive helps you to improve your client's experience. So these are the themes that we're now aligning the product and features against. These may and likely will evolve over time, and we'll keep sharing our thinking with you as they do.